Let us discuss question number 4 from exercise 2.4. So one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you will be getting 88. So what is the original number? We need to find out here what is the original number. So here one condition is said that one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. That means two-digit numbers means we know that their ones place value and tens place value will be there. Okay. So what we are going to do means if we are going to take in ones place value as x means the other digit will be is 3 times of this. That means if tens place value will be 3x. Okay. Either I can take in this way, or if I am taking tens place value as x means in ones place value will be 3 times of that. That means in ones place value will be 3x. Okay. We can take either in this way or in this way. Okay. So now I am going to do with this way. I mean I am going to consider that in let tens place digit is x. Okay, always we are taking x as ones place digit. This time I am going to do with this. No issues. You can do with this procedure also, no problem. Okay, so let us start doing. So now what we are going to do, let the digit at tens place be, let the digit at tens place is equals to x. We are going to take x. Okay. So what will be ones place digit? Then ones place digit is equals to 3x, because one digit is 3 times the other digit which is given in the question. So if I am taking tens place digit as x means ones place digit will be 3x. Is it clear? So based on this we can find out the original number, right? So as per this the original number will be, original number means in the expanded form we need to write in the place of 10 means what we will be writing 10 into x. In the place of ones means 1 into 3x. So the original number which is equals to 10x plus 3x, right, which gives us 13x. Is it clear? Now next you see, if you interchange the digits of this two-digit number. So now what we are going to do? We are going to interchange. So after interchanging the numbers, so after interchanging the digits, what happens? Then tens place digit will be equals to 3x and ones place ones place digit will be equals to x. So we can write our new number as, new number is equals to what it will come, new number in tens place 3x, right? So 10 into 3x plus 1 into x. So what we will be getting again? 30x plus x, which is equals to 31x. This is our new number. So next what is given in the question, if you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. Okay, that means while adding the original number with the resulting number means we will be getting 88. So we can, from the as per given in the question, we can write that the original number which is 13x plus the resulting number that is 31x, to while adding this we will be getting 88. Okay. So now while adding these two, what we will be getting? 13 plus 31 means 44x equals to 88. Here 44 is multiplied with x means while transposing to the right hand side we need to divide it by 44. So 88 divided by 44 means we will be getting x value as 2. Okay, so now let us check what is our number. Okay, see, let the digit at tens place is x. Tens place digit is x. That means tens place digit is equals to x means that is equals to 2. Ones place digit is equals to 3x, that is 3 into 2 which is equals to 6. So the original number what we will be getting? Original number is in tens place 2 and in ones place 6. So 26 we will be getting. Okay. So now let us check whether our answer is right or not. If you are taking like this, 26 means, okay, after interchanging and adding, that means after interchanging means 26. After interchanging here in tens place, if you are putting 2 value means 3 2s are 6 will be. In ones place x means 2. While adding these two, whether we are getting 88 or not. While adding these two, we are getting 88. So our answer is right. See, once again I am saying in this question, here the condition is given that 2 digits, okay, one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So either I can take tens place as x means ones place digit will be 3x. Okay. If not, if I am taking tens place digit as 3x means ones place digit will be x. Okay. So here I have done with this one. Tens place digit I have taken it as x means ones place digit it is 3x. Okay. So we can write the original number. How we can write? While using the expand form, we are putting the values at each tens place we are putting the value of x, and in ones place we are putting the value of 3x. Okay. So like that we are solving means we are getting 13x. Then after interchanging the digits means, see, it will tens place digit will become to 3x and ones place digit will become to x. Okay. So the new number will be 10 into 3x plus x, that is 31x we will be getting. In the question is given that the addition of original number and the new number we will be getting 88. Okay. So what it comes, while adding these two we will be getting 44x equals to 88. So x value we are getting 2. So we are putting this in the one means, that means in tens place we are putting 2 and in ones place we are putting 6 means we are getting original number as 26. Okay. So while interchanging and adding these two numbers means 26 plus interchanging 26 means 62. While adding these two we are getting 88. Is it clear? See, if you have taken the digit in tens place as 3x and ones place as x means you will be getting your answer as 62. Okay. So the answer will be 62 or 26. Any one will be there. Okay. No problem. You can do in any method. No issues in that. Is it clear?